Hey everyone, Edward here at Windows Report, and in this video I will show you how to fix the OneDrive error code 0x80071129 on Windows 11 in no time. So the first solution that you should always take in consideration is to run a CHKDSK scan. Now to do this, press the Windows button, then simply type cmd and then run command prompt as an administrator. And in here, in the command prompt window, make sure to copy-paste the following command that I posted in the description below. Now what you have to do is press on enter and then wait until the procedure will be finished. This will scan for any errors and repair them as soon as possible. You can then restart your computer and check if the problem still persists. Moving on, another great solution is to perform an SFC and DISM scan. Now to do this, press the Windows button, then type in cmd, then run command prompt as an administrator. And in here, all you have to do is copy-paste the following commands from the description below, but press enter after each scan. Note that the scans can take a bit of time, so don't lose patience. Afterwards, just restart your computer and then you can check if the problem still persists. Next in line, another great solution is to pause the OneDrive sync process. On your desktop, as you can see, you have the OneDrive icon. Just right-click on it and make sure to click on the gear icon. And now just click on the pause syncing option and then select the 2 hours setting. From here on, you can either wait for 2 hours or you can just select the gear icon once again and click on resume syncing. And now you can check if the problem still persists. Next, another great solution is to reset the OneDrive app. To do this, press the Windows button, then simply type cmd and then run command prompt as an administrator. Now in the command prompt window, make sure to copy-paste the following command that I posted in the description below and then just press on enter to start the procedure of resetting OneDrive. Now, as you can see, some users might need to input a different reset command based on where OneDrive is installed. You will check them in the description below, as I posted multiple command lines, so just make sure to try them until one of them will work depending on the location that you have selected for OneDrive. Afterwards, just restart your computer and then you can check if the problem still persists. However, as an alternative, we highly recommend you to try out Restoro, which is an app that specializes in scanning and repairing any issues with your Windows operating system faster than you think. At the same time, Restoro also repairs damage caused by malware, which is a great plus in functionality. So make sure to check out the link in the description below. And that's it. Super simple, isn't it? Of course, if this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.